Okay, I'm going to do these three word problems. I'm going to start with number 3, which is Kennedy earned $160 in interest after 4 years. She invested 4% simple interest. How much did she invest? I wonder how much money she put in. We're going to color code it like before. So we're going to go I with the purple, okay, equals P with the red, R with the green, and T with the blue. Okay, let's figure out what everything is here now. So we do know the interest. So where is it? So interest is 160 interest. Let's circle it for you guys. 160. So we put 160 in here. P, let's find the how much did she invest? Well, that's what we're looking for. We don't know. P R 4%. There it is. So it's the percent, 4%. So R is 4 divided by 100. Okay, 0.04. So in here we put 0.04. And then time. So in the blue, 4 years is the time. So we put 4 here. Okay, now we're going to go 160 and multiply the two values. So we'll go 160. Okay, and we're going to go went too far down. We're going to go 0.04 times 4. So 0.04 times 4 times 4, and we get 0.16. 0.16. Okay, we divide both sides by 0.16 so we can get our initial principal. So let's see how much was invested at the start. So 160 divided by 0.16, $1,000. So $1,000 was invested at the start. Let's put a little sentence. Okay, the principal was 1,000. Okay, and not PAL, P-A-L, the other way, because PAL is the principal at the school. The principal is 1,000. So you do the principal the other way with the I-P-L-E. Okay. So now let's do the next one with Jase here. After investing 4,000, Jase, maybe I should have put a comma here. Jase earned 1,000 in an investment, paying 5% interest. How long was that money in the investment? He made, well, he made $1,000. That's pretty good, 4,000. But maybe he kept it in there for a long time. Let's take a look. So we're going to use that same formula, I equals PRT, and we'll do the color coding. We'll do I in black, P in red, little r in green, and T in blue. Okay, I. So let's see if we have I. Oh, he made $1,000. That's our how much he earned. That's our interest he earned. Okay, what did he start with? Oh, he started with 4,000. So put the 4,000 here. Okay, it was at 5%. 5%. So our rate is 5 divided by 100, 0.05. So we put 0.05 here. And T, how long? We don't know. So T, we don't know. Okay, now we go to our calculator. Okay, we put 4,000 times 0.05. Maybe I'll hit the zero. My big fingers just can't hit. They're 200. So you get 1,000 equals 200 times T, or divide both sides by 200. Divide both sides by 200. I know 10 divided by 2 is 5, and the zeros cancel out, but I'll use my calculator anyway. There's no problem using the calculator. 1,000, well, not 10,000, but 1,000 divided by 200. 5 years. Wow, Jase made that money in 5 years. That's pretty good. Therefore, It was invested for 5 years. And let's not forget the years. Don't forget the word years at the end. So Jase made that $1,000 in 5 years. Okay, next question. And our final question. James invested $800 for 3 years. He earned $133. What was the simple interest rate? So let's color code this again. We'll go I equals capital P, small r, little t. Let's put all the information in. So now our interest, he earned 144, goes here. Okay, how much do you invest? James invested 800, so it goes here. Our rate, oh, what is the simple interest rate? We don't know, so we put R here. Time, oh, 3 years, so we put 3 there. A little bit trickier because we got the 800 here and the 3 here, but we can still go 3 times 800 or 3 times 8 and add 2 zeros. But we'll go to our calculator, 800 times 3. 2,400. So we get 144 equals 2,400 R. Now we divide by 2,400. Divide this side by 2,400. And let's see what our rate is. Let's see what it turns out to be. So 144 divided by 2,400. 6. 0.06 is our rate. Now we should turn that into a percent. So to turn that into a percent, you do 0.06 and you multiply it by 100. You're going to do the opposite and you get 6%. Therefore, the simple interest rate is 6%. So put our 3 dots. Therefore, the simple interest rate is 6%. So we got therefore the simple interest rate is 6%. And we're done now. So now I want you to continue and finish the rest of the questions on the worksheet.